We ran wild through every season, lit a fire to warm the world. A love so easy to believe in. You're saying I'm your favorite girl. We were open and unwritten. All I see is all you are. Every day a new beginning, waking up inside your arms, and I'm still holding on. Every light that's faded once burned so bright we chased it farther than we ever thought we could go. Even with times changing, you're the one I've waited all my life to get to know. Oh, you're looking out the window. How could anyone understand what you're seeing with your eyes closed? But if you open up your head, I could give you all I offer, the parts of me that see you through. Every winter and your summers, burning red or blazing blue. Every light that's faded once burned so bright we
From the moment I met you, I knew that I had found a new kind of happiness I thought only existed in fairy tales. I still remember the first time you caught my eye walking out of the coffee shop for Cooper's meet and greet. For those of you that don't know, Keith and I met through Rover, a dog sitting app website, and he requested me to watch Cooper for a week while he was away for work. I remember loving your smile, the way you carried yourself, the braveness you had for wearing the whitest Jordans through the slush and snow, and the way you corrected my March Madness statistic. It was almost like everyone around us disappeared for that brief moment, and it was then that I knew I needed you in my life.
There are moments when you meet someone where you just know. I could tell that once I met you and the way you took care of my boy Cooper, that you were the one I wanted by my side forever.
I vowed to be the best parts of me that fit perfectly with the best parts of you. Above all, I promise to love you in good times and in bad, when life seems easy and when it seems hard, when our love is simple and when it is an effort. You are my best friend, and today I give you my heart, my love, and my soul. I love you now and forever.
I promise to love you and always be by your side. Between the ups and the downs, in the few years that we've been together, there have been some, and I know that from now and forever, we will never have to go through them alone. I'm the luckiest guy alive to be standing right here with you. As Brooks and Dunn sang, the way you look, the way you laugh, the way you love with all you have, there ain't nothing about you that don't do something for me. Kristina, I look forward to loving you, to being your rock, being your shoulder, and most of all, being your one from now until forever.
Family and friends, by the power vested in me by Keith and Kristina, and by the state of Ohio, I now formally pronounce you, Keith and Kristina, to be husband and wife. Let us celebrate their union. Keith, make this the day.